broke while I stuff this pepper. And we also discuss what the difference is between a stock exchange and a market. Okay, so a stock exchange is a specific place, think physical or electronic, where stocks and other securities are bought and sold. Think of this like as a giant organized marketplace. Like, imagine a fancy mall where only certain brands are allowed to sell their products. This mall has rules, a set structure, and a list of approved vendors. An example of this is the New York Stock Exchange. It's like this mall. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Coca-Cola have their stocks listed here, and investors can buy and sell those stocks through the New York Stock Exchange. Now, on the other hand, what is a market? A market is a broader term that refers to as a place or a system where buyers and sellers interact to exchange goods, services, or securities. Markets can be physical places, like a farmer's market, or a virtual space, such as online markets. Think of it like a city. Within a city, there are various places to buy things: grocery stores, streets, vendors, online shops, and so on. Each of these places is an overall market. An example of this could be the overall stock market includes many exchanges, like the New York Stock Exchange, the NASDAQ, and international exchanges. It's like an entire system where stocks are traded, but not just in one specific location. Now, what is a stock? A stock is a share of a company you buy. Think of it as a pie. You're just buying a little piece of that little pie of that company. So let's break it down for a little bit more of an understanding. A stock exchange is a specific place. A stock exchange is in a specific location, physical or electronic, where stocks are listed and traded. Exchanges have strict rules and regulations for companies that are listed and transactions made. The examples of this are the New York Stock Exchange, the NASDAQ, the London Stock Exchange, even the Bombay Stock Exchange. Now, while I prepare to put some nuts in this pepper, we need to reinforce the idea of a market. A market is a general term that refers to an entire network of buyers and sellers for a particular type of product or service. Markets can encompass multiple exchanges and other trading venues. The overall stock market, the real estate market, or the farmers markets are examples of markets. The way that I like to remember this is that the stock exchange is like a fancy mall. A mall is a specific place. There is security, it's regulated, organized, and structured, and there's exclusive brands within said mall. Whereas a market is a city. A city is a broad area with many places to buy and sell. There are diverse venues. This includes malls, streets, vendors, and online shops, and it's all inclusive. This covers every type of transaction venue. Understanding the difference helps you see the bigger picture of how financial transactions work. When you hear about the stock market, you know it includes all the stocks exchanges and other trading venues where the securities are bought and sold. Things to keep in mind with markets is that stock exchanges are tightly regulated to ensure fair trading practices and to protect investors. You also need to understand that access is a thing. While the stock exchange has specific rules, the broader market is more inclusive that covers various trading platforms and venues. Finally, look into investment decisions. Knowing where your transactions take place helps you understand the structure and regulations involved in your investments. This information is vital. Always remember, before investing, you need to do your research, understand what you're trading on the stock exchange or within the broader market. Knowing the difference can help you navigate the financial world more confidently. Make sure that you're staying informed. Keep up with the financial news and trends, girls. We like to be financially literate. Platforms like Yahoo Finance, Investopedia, and stock market apps can provide valuable insights. Even the Wall Street Journal, very reliable. I love her. She's like $1 a week. I love her. Love her. Anyways, you also have start small. If you're new to investing, start with small amounts on a well-known exchange like the New York Stock Exchange or the NASDAQ. This approach helps you learn without taking big risks. And join communities, guys. There are lots of online communities, even here, where where women share tips and experiences about investing. Joining these can help provide support and valuable advice. Also, peep me harassing my basil. When I tell you that these stuffed peppers are actually the most orgasmic stuff I have ever made, and I highly recommend stuffing your pepper with pumpkin, do it. Do it, babes. Do it! By understanding these differences and using these tips, we have a clear picture on how the financial system works, along with how the market works. And always remember, I'm all here to make you more informed and a confident investor. Happy investing, ladies! And this stuffed pepper was really good. Just a heads up, like, make yourself a pumpkin stuffed pepper if you have the time. It will make you the happiest human alive. I ate these things for like a week. Like, I love them.